Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add subtitles using InVideo AI. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So what you want to do is load up the website, and we're going to click on our project here that we want to add subtitles for. So this is going to be my project that I work with. Once we have our project open, and then we will select Edit. Here, we have to select Script. From here you will see your entire script. So what you have to do is manually click on the plus sign, and then you will choose Add Text Element. For the text element type, we would put it lower third, like so. And this is where the text goes. So I'll just click on Add. I'm going to copy this text that is being said. And I'll paste my text right here. Right-click Paste, and I can close this now. And if I click on Save, it's going to add it. And I can also do the same for the second part. Here I'll click on plus, add text element, I'll do lower third again, and I'll add it. And now if I apply the changes, here you should be able to see that it shows up as subtitles. So that's basically how you can add subtitles using InVideo AI. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.